Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a glitchy cinematic text intro for your edits in CapCut. First, you need to make a text video like this on CapCut using any font you like and a black background from these stock videos. Then open it in a new project like this. Now go to Mask and then select film strip and rotate the masking diagonally like this and drag the arrow to create some fade effect. Okay, now drag the masking all the way to the left. Okay, click on a check icon and then add a keyframe at the beginning and move forward and add another keyframe. Then go to mask again and drag the masking all the way to the right. Okay, click on the check icon. Now it will have something like this, and then you can just go to the video effect, click on the glitch, find the glitch category, and then select the fuzzy effect, this one. Adjust the speed to 10 and intensity 15, and after that you are done, and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.